Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. I know you're wondering what kind of juicy looking chicken is this? Well, it is some Appleton Rum Bbq chicken, and let's jump right into it. Here I have a third cup of apple juice, and the apple juice helps to make the chicken moist and give it a nice little flavor. Yeah, because we're working with some Appleton rum as well. So let's put our leg quarters on the tray. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. That's 347 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's cover this up with some foil paper and let's put it in for 30 nice minutes. And while that is sizzling, let's make some saucy sauce. So this is 1 cup of barbecue sauce, right? And next I'm going in with a third cup of ketchup. If you don't have no ketchup and have tomato paste, then you might have to use more sugar in this recipe because tomato paste is very tangy. So here I have 1.5 tablespoons sugar and 1/3 cup of Appleton rum. Now, if you don't have the Appleton rum, you can use some whiskey, but try to get the Appleton rum. And last but definitely not least, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of honey. Yes, some nice thick honey. So yeah, go ahead and mix that up, combine everything and taste it and see what else it needs. Yes, you can taste your sauce, Vibes fam. Please taste them, right? Just to make sure that they are yeah. So this is it, looking like it's looking. Now let's check on our chicken, and here it is. Take it out, rippity rip that foil paper off of it because we need to see what's going on under it. And look at the stem. Okay, yeah, so yeah, the chicken looks good. So now we're gonna baste our chicken. Yes, look at the steam. We're gonna baste it. So take up that nice juicy, don't now think about it, the apple juice mixed with the natural flavor and juices from the chicken. Oh yeah, Vibes fam, come on somebody, give me a word. Well, it is a word. So go ahead and baste that, and then we are gonna put it back into the oven for 10 minutes. But this time we're gonna turn up the oven, put it in uncovered, do not cover it. The oven is gonna be 180 degrees Celsius. So yes, Vibes fam, this is it now. And then what are we gonna do? What do you think we're gonna do? Of course, we're gonna put that beautiful sauce over it. Come on, Vibes fam. But let's turn over the chicken first. So bam, and they're all turned over, and let's get this nice juicy Appleton rum sauce all over all these pieces of chicken, and make sure you put it everywhere, in every crevices, everywhere. By the way, the video of me seasoning the chicken, I will link it down below in the description because you need that as well, right? So yeah, now let's baste the top part. This is the beautiful part that everybody is gonna see, all your guests, all your beautiful family members. So yeah, just pour the sauce everywhere on the chicken and down in your little tray right there. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes on the same 180 degrees Celsius. But yeah, Vibes fam, let's put it back in the oven. Are we excited? What are we gonna have this with, by the way? What are we gonna have this with? I'm a rice fan, so it's gonna be rice. Oh, Vibes fam, look at this chicken. Look at this chicken. Look how good this chicken. Do you see the bubbling? Look at bubbling of the juices. Oh my goodness. You can tell that this chicken is so tender and juicy. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have it. All I did was just move it from the tray and just dash it on this nice little white plate. But hey, here we have this delicious, amazing, delectable, delicious Vibes up, this chicken is so good. So it's the Appleton Rum Bbq baked chicken. Talk to me nice. Talk to me very nicely, please. Very nicely. Look at it. A nice little crisp. And then inside, like when you tear it, it's so nice and juicy. I mean, you need this in your life. What did I say? Spell it. Need. Need. D. We need it. But yeah, Vibes, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please let me know what would you have this with. And please go and follow me over on Instagram and on Facebook. By the way, could you please click the thumbs up button and make sure your notification is on? Thank you. God bless you.